Yeah, and Inigo is here. Bring this Indian takeaway.
Chicken masala. Hello.
Chicken masala. So in the coming 3-4 days, I will have this. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is already 2:25. I worked today from 6 o'clock and I finished 2 o'clock. It was very busy at work. We did 170 and I'm very hungry now. And I'm going to eat this, the one from yesterday. Yeah, this very delicious soup coming from Rick and Christina. Because last night I was full until dinner. So I did not eat dinner. 2 minutes. Today, Inigo, Earl, and Ariana, they are at the beach. Yeah, near to my workplace. They are swimming. I don't want to go to the beach because yeah, it's hot. They sent me a picture and they have they have tent. They have set up there. This is the delicious soup. Amazing. It's still very tasty. You know, I have a problem with this earphone. Yeah, so basically the sound of this is normal, but this one I cannot almost hear anything from this side. Yeah, the right side. Yeah, I have been checking online how to fix it, but it just says that I need to factory reset or update. Maybe this one will work. Okay, let's do that. I actually have this yeah, I don't have toothpick here. I'm going to use this wooden knife. We cut a small piece in here. This the one, yeah. This is the right one. Yeah, this is the right one. Yeah, this is the one though without volume. So you can see this is what he did. There's two golden thing there and then scrape it. It's still too big. Don't push it too much because I don't know, I think there is the cover, but so basically I stopped using it for about 2 years because I stopped riding the bike. And then recently the GoPro has the features that can be controlled using this earphone, and so I use it again. But I noticed that the volume here is not balanced to the volume of the other one. Yeah, so I thought it's broken. Yeah, let's see if it's going to work. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, the volume is balanced now. The music only plays when I put it in the ears. And it actually stops if I put it separate like this. If you can see that pause button, if I put it separately, it will stop. Yeah, playing it again, nice. I was able to save $400 or 300 something dollars because I was actually very tempted already to buy the new Bose Quiet Comfort. Yeah, but yeah, I don't need now. This one is okay. I'm happy with this. And because of that, I'm going to send $20 for this guy. Yeah, it was really a big help. And yeah, it is already 7:37 and I am going to have my dinner. Yeah, it is going to be this one. Yeah, the Indian food that Inigo cooked yesterday. This one. Yeah, no need to heat this rice. It's okay. It's actually one pull of rice, but some of them I put in a, yeah, this is rice I put here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because yesterday Inigo asked me to cook rice because he thought that the rice he cook is not enough, but yeah, actually enough for us. And it is delicious, very delicious. This Indian chicken curry something. I don't know exactly the name, but yeah, this is Indian food. Delicious, very delicious. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here in in Morisset in particular, but the whole area is Lake Macquarie. Yeah, like this one, this is part of the water of the Lake Macquarie. Morisset is known for yeah, like the nearest place to see kangaroos in Sydney area. I mean, yeah, because you know, when I was living in Sydney before, I did not able to see any kangaroos around or within the nearby in the area of Sydney. And then I googled, and it says that Morisset is the place to see kangaroos. I mean the nearest one. Yeah, and so I come here in Morisset just by public transportation, by train actually. And at the train station there is like a van, a coaster that will bring you to the park with all those kangaroos. I mean, they are wild. They are just resting there, staying there, standing by there, and they are not afraid to human. You can actually, yeah, like get closer and take a pictures with the kangaroos. Yeah, I was trying to find it out. I was actually driving around already looking for that place, but yeah, I cannot really see it. Yeah, because I don't know the actual road, which one is that. And I am trying to check in the Google, and there are some article that that area is closed already. Oh, this one is dead end. Go back. And this area is actually, oh, look at this. Yeah, very nice. They just put some chairs in here, and yeah, they sit here and they are relaxing, watching the view. And also very quiet here. Yeah, you hear just the dump of the water from the to the sand, but not waves, also no wind. At least this time it's not noisy, but yeah, it's good. And this place is actually a residential area. Yeah, the name of the place is Morisset Park, and most of the houses are new. And I can see from inside, most of the houses, they are still having kind of yeah, still working on. Also still a lot of vacant lots for the houses. Yeah, I think this one is a good place to own a house, to own a property. Yeah, I was driving around and I see a lot of space like this still vacant, but this one is fully occupied. My original intention is to go to Sydney, but yeah, I feel the need to go to pee, and so I take the exit and I end up here in Morisset. I don't know if you can see that there is one guy there holding a stop sign. Yeah, I actually stop here near this signboard here instead of near to that guy holding the stop sign. I think it's okay, it's or better to stop here than to that guy. Okay, slow, let's go. When it is slow, it means the 40 kilometers. Yeah, because there is ongoing one way, that's why they have a stop sign. This one. And there are 6 cars waiting. And we are now here in the Morisset train station. There are actually different shop and restaurant in this area. They have a police station here, Morisset Police Station. Yeah, just in front of the train station. And that's the train. And I remember that when I come here, that was 2016 or 2017. I remember that when I just get out here, yeah, there is kind of van that will bring you to the kangaroos. It is usually free to park in the train station car park, but yeah, mostly in the regional area, in a place like this. But in the city train station, yeah, you're rarely able to find a free parking.